Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country inspired cottage decorating ideas. Let's start. Vintage country inspired cottage decor is a warm, nostalgic home decor style that blends old-time vintage beauty with the simple, cozy charm of country cottages. It feels soft, lived-in, peaceful, and full of heart, like a home that tells gentle stories from the past. Vintage country cottage decor is inspired by old countryside homes, European and English cottages, handmade traditions, nature, simplicity, and comfort. It mixes aged furniture, soft colors, floral details, and rustic textures to create a calm and welcoming space. Color palette: soft, faded, and natural tones, cream, ivory, off-white, soft beige and linen, pastel pinks, shell cream, dusty blue, also light gray and fern wood tones. Nothing looks bright or shiny. Everything's well gently aged. Furniture style: the strays are whitewashed wooden furniture with curved legs and antique shapes. Farmhouse tables, vintage cupboards, and open shelves. Furniture often looks old but loved, not new. Decorative elements: floral prints like roses, wildflowers, and small patterns. Lace, crochet, and embroidery. Vintage frames and mirrors with enamel jugs, teapots, glass bottles. Wicker baskets and wooden trays. Handmade items give the space a soulful cottage feel. Textiles and fabrics: cotton and linen fabrics with floral curtains, ruffled cushions, crochet table genres, soft quilts, and throws. Textures are soft and comforting. For natural touches: fresh or dried flowers with potted plants, lavender, eucalyptus, or wild grass. Wooden branches or baskets. Nature is always part of the decor. Overall feeling: vintage country cottage decor feels cozy, peaceful, romantic but not modern romantic, warm and welcoming, nostalgic and emotional. It feels like solo mornings, tea by the window, and quiet countryside life. The heart of vintage country cottage decor. This decor style is not about showing luxury, it is about feeling at home. It reflects a life that is slow, peaceful, close to nature, full of memories. Every object feels meaningful. Nothing looks rushed or factory perfect. Sense of time and story. Vintage country cottage decor feels like time has gently passed down through the home. Slightly tipped paint, softly faded fabrics, old wooden textures, handcrafted details. This sign of age are not flaws, they are beauty. The home feels like it has a story. Connection to nature. Nature plays a very important role. Sunlight through soft curtains, wooden floors and furniture use floral patterns inspired by gardens. Natural fibers like cotton, jute, or linen. The goal is to bring outdoor countryside calm indoors. Layered softness. This style is created through gentle layers: a linen sofa, floral cushions, a crochet throw, wooden tray with candles, flowers in a vintage rug. Nothing stands alone. Everything supports each other softly. Patterns and prints. Patterns are delicate, never bold. Use tiny roses, wildflowers, chicks, and gingham, subtle stripes. They give sweetness without making the space busy. Decorative details. Small details create the cottage soul. Use old photo frames, antique clocks, ceramic jars, lace-edged shelves, Vintage books, teacups displayed openly. Open display makes the home feel lived in and warm. Handmade and imperfect beauty. Very important principles. Imperfect is perfect. Crochet, knitting, embroidery, hand-painted items, DIY decor, the spring connection and authenticity. Something modern decor often lacks. Lighting mode. Lighting is always soft. Use warm yellow bulbs. Table lamps, lantern style lights, candles. Bright white lights are avoided because they remove the cozy feeling. Seasonal charm. Vintage country cottage homes changed gently with seasons. Spring is florals and fresh linen. For summer, use light cotton and open windows. For autumn, use dried flowers, warm tones. For winter, use quilts, candles, and cozy corners. This keeps the home alive all year. Emotional atmosphere. This decor creates emotions like comfort, calmness, nostalgia, warmth, belonging. When you enter such a home, you feel relaxed immediately. Lifestyle behind the decor. Vintage country cottage decor reflects a lifestyle. Solo mornings, tea time rituals, handmade habits, simple living, appreciation of small things. It is as much about how you live as how you decorate. The philosophy behind this style. Vintage country cottage decor is built on our gentle idea a home should feel loved, not perfect. This style rejects sharp modern lines, glossy finishes, fast trend decorating, instead it celebrates ace, memory, warmth, human touch. Every corner feels emotional, not decorative only. Quite elegance, not luxury. This decor is elegant but softly so. No gold shine, no bold glamour. Its elegance comes from faded beauty, soft fabrics, simple shapes, natural light. It whispers beauty instead of shouting it. Textile storytelling. Texture is extremely important. You may find together rough wood, soft linen, delicate lace, chunky crochet, smooth ceramics. This contrast creates comfort and visual depth. You should fill the room even with closed eyes. Romantic but grounded. It has romance but not modern romance. This romance is nostalgic, countryside inspired, gentle, peaceful. Think old love letters, flower gardens, afternoon tea, quiet rain on cottage windows. The role of florals. Florals are not decoration only, they represent life. Roses symbolize memory, wildflowers represent freedom. Lavender brings calm. Floral patterns appear in curtains, cushions, wallpapers, teacups, artwork. They connect the home to the garden outside. Furniture placement style. Furniture is arranged for comfort, not symmetry. Chairs slightly angled, tables close to windows, studying corners, cozy nooks. It feels natural, like someone actually lives there. Objects with a past. A key rule. Choose items that look like they have lived before. Examples: antique clocks, old wooden tools, old trunks, faded frames, vintage chairs. Even new items should look old and gentle. Cottage calm energy. This decor creates a peaceful energy, soul breathing, relaxed mind, warm heart. That is why many people feel instantly calm in such homes. Storage as decoration. In vintage country cottage style, open shops, baskets, hanging mugs, clusters. Storage is visible but beautiful. This creates honesty and charm. Kitchen as the heart. The cottage kitchen is emotional. It represents family, warmth, nourishment, togetherness. Checker enclosed, open shelves, ceramic bowls, floral curtains, wooden boards in the middleware. It feels like baking bread on a quiet morning. Bedroom mode. Bedrooms feel like a retreat. Your soft quilts, layered pillows, lace-edged sheets, pastel colors, warm lamps. Nothing heavy, everything restful. Nighttime atmosphere. At night, this style becomes magical with soft lamp glow, shadows on floral walls, candle reflections, quiet silence. The home feels protective and safe. Why people love this style? Because it gives emotional comfort, nostalgia, peace, warmth, belonging. In a first world, it feels like home again. A home that feels like a memory. Queen's Country Cottage Decor often feels familiar, even if you have never lived in such a home before. That is because it connects to collective memory, grandparents' houses, countryside childhoods, quiet afternoons, handmade things. This space feels remembered, not decided. Soft imperfection as beauty. In this style, perfection feels cold. Instead, beauty comes from uneven brush strokes, wrinkled linen, chipped ceramics, slightly mismatched furniture. These imperfections show human presence. A perfect home feels empty. A lived-in home feels alive. Solo living reflected in Decor. Queen's Country Cottage Decor supports a solo lifestyle. Fewer objects but meaningful. Calm colors that rest the eyes. Cozy corners for reading or tea. Natural light instead of artificial brightness. The home encourages you to slow down. Gentle feminine energy, not generated. This style carries softness, curves, florals, lace, but is not about tender. It represents nurturing, care, gentleness, warmth. The energy is welcome to everyone. Emotional function of decor. Each item has a role. Candles for comfort, flowers for life, textiles for protection, wood for grounding, printed objects for memory. Decor is emotional language. Nature as healing presence. Plants and flowers are not trends here. They are used because greenery calms the nervous systems. Flowers bring rhythm to daily life. Seasonal changes feel natural. A cottage home breathes with nature. Reflection of rural wisdom. This style quietly honors rural traditions, used in a state of waste, repaired in a state of replace, handmade over factory made, simplicity of a show. It is respectful, humble, and wise. Light and atmosphere, not brightness. Lighting is emotional, is warm glow, soft shadows, evening calm. Harsh light breaks the mood. This decor prefers mode over visibility. Furniture with gentle curves, sharp edged are softened. Scarped chairs, rounded tables, turned legs, curved create safety and comfort. Visual quietness. Even with many items, the space doesn't feel noisy because colors belong to the same family. Pictures repeat gently, patterns are small scale. This creates visual calm. Rituals are part of decor. This style supports daily rituals. Morning tea by the window, arranging flowers, lighting candles at dusk, folding linens carefully. The decor becomes part of life. Home as emotional shelter. More than beauty, this decor provides safety, rest, warmth, grounding. It protects your emotions. Why this style never goes out of fashion? Because it is not based on trends, it is based on human emotion, nature, memory, comfort, and those never change. A home that breathes emotions. Vintage country cottage decor does not try to impress visitors, it tries to impress them. When someone enters such a home, they feel a soft calm in the chest, a sense of safety, quiet happiness. This space feels gentle, like it understands you. The language of silence. This decor speaks silence. No loud colors, no sharp contrast, no visual noise. The home feels beautiful even when nothing is happening. Silence becomes beautiful here. Nostalgia without sadness. This style carries nostalgia but not sadness. It remembers the past with warmth, old days without regret, memories without pain, times without pressure. It is a soft remembering. Fabric as comfort. Textiles act like emotional blankets. Linen curtains move with air, quilts feel protective. Crochet shows patience and care. Fabric softens not only rooms but hearts. Kitchen as the emotional center. The kitchen is not modern or perfect. It smells of tea, bread, spices, warmth. It represents care and nourishment. Bedroom as a nest. Bedrooms feel like nest. Layered bedding, soft colors, dim lamps, quiet corners. It is a place to rest your body and your thought. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.